Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2nd, class 6, components of the food. In last chapter, we have seen that there are a number of the ingredients of the food, why do we need the food, and why we cook the food, and with various aspects related with the food. And you know well, we eat different variety of the food items. Different variety of the food items, you know, like the dal bati, khichdi. There are a number of the food items we eat, and there is a variety in the food. Now it is an activity for today to you that there is a combination of the food is there. Every region of the world having a combination of the food, and in this combination, look, number one, dal bati, मक्की दी रोटी, सरसों दा साग, dal chawal. There are a number of the food materials are there. In these all food materials, all kind of the dishes, there is one thing is common. One is the food grain. One is the food grain. Food grain, rice, wheat, bajra, maize, bajra, millets, you can say, maize, makka. There are a number of the variety of the food grains are there. In the food grain is one part, and another part is of pulses, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, maybe some other materials like the fish and rice. When we go into the West Bengal, fish and rice, mach, fish and bhat, rice. In such kind of the combination, there are a lot of combination are there. So we have understood that there is a combination of the food. And right, you make a table in your notebook. Like the what are the combination? Dal, chawal, pulses and rice. One combination. We also eat this portion, dal chawal. Second one, dal bati, pulses and bati. Third combination, these are combination in Rajasthan. In various states, you will collect information from your internet. You will pick these pictures. This is part of your art integration, right? And you will collect the pictures. You will prepare a table, and about 10 to 15 items, food items, and you will prepare one file. This is your project work. This is your project work. So that you will prepare this file and take their photos and send to me. You will send to me. It is the part of art integration. Right? So you will prepare a table. Punjab, क्या हुआ? What happened over here? In case of the Punjab, मक्की roti and sarso saag, mustard vegetable, right? Mustard leaf curry, you can say. Like this, rice in Andhra Pradesh, rice and kunduru. they use fish and rice in case of Odisha, right? So you will collect complete information about this. In Maharashtra, there is a special dish during the Navratri that is known as Puran Poli. You will collect like this a number of the information about that, and you will also write what ingredients they use about it. Ingredients, dish making, what material they need. Now we are going to discuss components of the food. There are 5 basic nutrients that we get from different kind of the food items. Different kind of the food items, we get these 5 main nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, protein, again carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. Along with these 5 nutrients, 2 another nutrients are the water and roughage. Water and roughage. These are, in this way, there are total 7 nutrients and 5 basic nutrients are there. Now, we will discuss all these nutrients one by one. Now, a question arises over here. Do all the foods having all kind of the nutrients, or some special food having a special kind of the nutrients? We can say that some of the food material having a particular nutrient in higher amount, whereas the other nutrients are present in small amount. Some of the nutrients higher amount, some of the nutrients are in small amount. Like when we eat all kind of the food grains, common source of the carbohydrates. Common source of the carbohydrates. When we eat egg white and egg yellow. Egg white, protein, and egg yellowish yolk, you can say, and this yolk is the rich in the fats. Yolk, fats, and now egg white is the protein. In this way, there are a number of the sources. All kind of the green leafy vegetables, you can say, and all kind of green leafy vegetables are the good source of minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins. When we eat rice and pulses, rice, carbohydrates, and pulses, protein. When we eat dal chawal, we obtain carbohydrates as well as protein. But when we add some amount of the ghee over here, it will fulfill carbohydrate, fat, ghee and pulses, protein. In this way, we eat variety of the food material along with their combination. We do not eat single food item. We eat in their combination. Got it? So, these are the combinations. Combinations are essential to fulfill the requirement of different kind of the nutrients. We should eat all kind of the nutrients, all kind of the food materials, whatever it is, laddie finger, bhindi, lauki, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, we should eat all kind of the food. We should not say, I'll not eat this one, I'll not eat this one. We should eat all kind of the food material. Got it? Now students, look carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, as the name given, hydrates, carbohydrate. The term carbohydrate comes from the hydrate and carbon. Hydrate means water. Hydrate is a Greek word and it means water. Carbon means carbon is an element. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, these are the elements. Got it? So carbohydrates, hydrates of carbon. Carbohydrates is the energy giving food to us. It is the principal constituent, main constituent of the food. It is also known as staple diet. Why it is called a staple diet? Because it is the main constituent of the all kind of the food materials that we eat. It is the component, basic component of the food material, all kind of the food materials. That's why it is known as staple diet. It gives us energy instantly, and that's why it is known as energy giving food. The major form of the carbohydrates are the sugar, starch and cellulose. Sugar, starch and cellulose. What are these? Sugar, starch and cellulose. Our body can digest sugar and starch. Starch, when we eat chapati, potato, for long time, it tastes sweet. It means our saliva that is present in our mouth, it breaks down the starch into sugar. Got it? We can taste it easily also. When we will take a solution that is known as iodine solution. What we call it? Iodine solution. Iodine solution in lab, it is available easily. When we put iodine solution over the carbohydrate material, raw potato, you can easily raw potato. And potato, kacha potato, raw potato, when we put the iodine over it, it turned blue-black. Its color change, showing the presence of starch in the food material. Got it? Now second portion, this is the activity. Now second portion, what are the main sources of carbohydrates? What are the main sources of carbohydrates? Sugar, jaggery, honey, sugar, jaggery, honey, potato and cereals. Potato and cereals. Cereals like the rice, wheat, maize, millets, these are the all kind of the cereals are examples of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate almost we need about 45 to 60% in our diet. Our diet, our energy, day routine energy, minimum comes from these 45 to 65% from the carbohydrates. Some of the persons need more carbohydrate, like the sports person who is doing and during exercise, pregnant women, nursing women. Nursing ladies means the ladies which breastfeed to their young ones. Next one, physical. The persons who doing physical work, more physical work, it need more amount of the energy like us. we do not need much amount of the energy because we are standing here only. I am sitting here only. I am not doing work actively. So the persons who are doing actively working need more amount of the energy. Next one, the carbohydrate, when we taken in carbohydrate in large amount, excess of the carbohydrate, it will cause obesity. It will cause obesity. मोटे हो जाएंगे, तो it will cause obesity. Next one, inactiveness, obesity and inactiveness. On the other hand, deficiency of carbohydrate causes weight loss. Weight loss, weakness. We feel weakness. I am not energetic. I am too weak due to carbohydrate. Got it? One another concept, cellulose. Cellulose, starch and sugar. These are three common examples of the carbohydrate. But cellulose in our body do not digest. Cellulose do not digest in our body, and cellulose form the plant cell wall. Cell, there is a cell, and covering of the cell is known as cell wall. Cell wall made up of cellulose. So cellulose do not digest in our body. That's why we can't get energy from the cellulose. But certain other animals like the cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, grazing animals, they graze too much quickly, and later on they chewing slowly, sitting here and chewing graze slowly. This is such kind of the animals are known as ruminants. They have the ruminants can digest the cellulose. Got it?